Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an emergency Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I went there last night and I found like one item that is super cool that I've never seen before, that I literally feel like I spoke into existence. So I have to show that to you. I have a couple other things, and then there's a Target dollar spot haul to follow the emergency item. So some of you are gonna think I'm being dramatic. I really don't think that I am. Me being dramatic, I don't think so. But I found these new greenery bouquets, and in my last two Dollar Tree hauls ago, I hauled some ferns and I hauled some succulents, and I said that I don't really like fake greenery unless it's succulents or unless it's the fuzzy greenery like lamb's ear, sage, that kind of stuff, the kind of greenery that a lot of farmhouse style uses. And Dollar Tree doesn't have that. And then what do you know, I walk in there and I find the fuzzy greenery, you guys. This is so real looking. I don't know if I manifested this by saying that or what happened, but I'll have to show you guys. I'll insert a clip of me comparing it to the other greenery in the store so you can see just how nice this is. But I was just floored because these are the kind of things that you see at Hobby Lobby. I never usually buy greenery at Dollar Tree for my floral arrangements just because it's not high quality, it doesn't look real, and it kind of cheapens the look of, you know, anything you put it with. So I was so excited to find these. These ones have just like, I don't know if this is thistle or something, and then they have some of these kind of fern-like leaves and then these smaller leaves. The lavender is my favorite. The lavender looks so real, and Dollar Tree just put out a lavender that looked pretty good, but this one looks even better, and it also has just some just standard leaves. And then this one has this purple stuff on top, the kind of orangish red berries. This looks like, I don't know, maybe baby's breath or something of that sort. And then just your standard leaves and these longer grass-like leaves in there. So yeah, these are amazing. I think that there might have been one or two other styles that I didn't pick up, but yeah, I had to show these to you guys. And then I did find a couple other, oh, I do have one more. Here's the other one. It has these fern style leaves in it, some berries, and more berries here. So these are so amazing. I did find a couple other new things. I found a new display of LA Colors makeup, all new makeup. I'll insert a clip at the end of what makeup that was because I only picked up 2 items. So I got this LA Colors lip gloss, and I fell in love with this color. I always gravitate towards this kind of color, and you never ever see it at Dollar Tree. So this is in the color Like a Boss. I'm gonna open it up and swatch them for you. Although my hands are so dry, I really don't want to swatch it and show you guys my crusty hands. So this is what the applicator looks like. Oh dang, unfortunately it is not very pigmented, but it was just $1, and maybe the red one will be more pigmented. Let's see. Nope, neither one of these are very pigmented, but they are just glosses, so that's okay. They did have liquid lipsticks and new like eyeliners, new mascaras, colored mascaras. I did just pick up the auto eyeliner in white. I've been kind of wanting a white eyeliner for like years, and I don't know why I never pick it up. I'm not like a huge makeup person where I buy makeup really often, so it is a pretty fine tip. The product is stiff, but it's not like dragging, so that's personally kind of how I like my eyeliners. I don't like them too creamy, and the pigment is, you know, it's there. It's not like super pigmented, but we'll see how it wears throughout the day. I also got these eggs. I recently hauled some glitter eggs from Pottery Barn for $3, and they're gorgeous. But if you can't find those because they were on sale from last season, Dollar Tree does have these glittery eggs. The colors are very vibrant. I wish they were more pastel, but I actually got this because I needed one gold egg, so I'll use the rest of these somewhere else. And then the last thing that I'm also using that I picked up from Dollar Tree is this Under Magnolia book. This is actually just the cover. I wanted a book for decor, and I thought that this one was gorgeous for spring and summer, but I ended up just taking the cover off actually because the book is white underneath, white and black. This is what the spine of it looks like. There is gold. This is a really pretty decor book. However, mine was ripped, so I put some tape on it, but I am saving the cover because I think that this will be really pretty for summer decor since I'm not using the cover right now, and that's why I picked it up. All right, now let's get into the Target dollar spot stuff real quickly. Oops, I bumped the camera. I always do that. I was not impressed with the Target dollar spot spring and Easter stuff, but the few items that I did pick up I really like. So the first thing that I'm like kind of shook about, as the kids say, is this purse. This is like a very nice faux leather. It is a huge tote. It's a rectangle shape, but it looks to be at least 1.5 feet tall, maybe a little bit shorter than that wide. It's in this blush pink, kind of rosy, dusty rose color. It also came in brown and beige, and it does come with this little bead on it for $7. This looks very much like the street level tote from Nordstrom that retails for like $55 or something, which is a good price for Nordstrom, but this is even cheaper. It is lined in the inside with this white kind of, the fabric on the inside isn't great, but yeah, this is a really nice deal to get just as like a beach bag, a carry-all, just like a weekend tote or whatever. So I did pick this up. My favorite item that I found are the cupcake stands though. These are just $1 a piece. They bring these out for so many different holidays and I always miss them. Just in the Valentine's Day, this past Valentine's Day, I did find a cake stand, which I almost never find, so I'm starting to have a little bit more luck at my dollar spot. And these fit a Bath & Body Works candle perfectly on them. They fit pretty much any candle on them, and of course you can use them for cupcakes or just to elevate some of your decor. I bought 3 of these. There were 4 and I had all 4 in my cart, and I was like, honestly, I probably only need 2, so I'm reaching by getting 3 of them. So I decided to kind of bless somebody else's day and put 1 back. These next few items are not for me. They are for a child, but I thought that I would show them to you anyways. I got this washi tape. I know a lot of you like washi tape, and I know a lot of you will probably pick this up because it's just so cute and fun. It has the cactus, the roller skates, and looks like kind of emoji stuff, and then the unicorns, polka dots, and then this kind of 80s looking pattern, or yeah, is that 80s? Early 90s. So I got this. This was, I believe this was $1, yes. I got this Vacay All Day palm tree pen. I thought this was really cute, and this was just $1. And then I got this little note set that says can't touch this. It comes in the pouch with some stickers. I think this is probably just a notebook, some sticky notes, a pen, and this is called stationery bag. This was $3. Includes 1 notepad, 1 bag, 1 notebook, 1 pen, 1 sticker sheet. So I thought that the person that I'm giving this to could maybe use their washi in here, and it all kind of matches. It's very cute. I also found some sunglasses, you guys. How cute are these? I'm trying not to get me in it. They're kind of like a gold mirror. You can see my ring light in there. I just thought these were really, really cute, especially for $3. The mirroring on them is gold, and it also shifts pink, so it's really pretty. And I thought for $3 this was a really good deal. And yeah, so I got them. I don't know if I've seen adult sunglasses in the dollar spot before, but they were all really cute. The only downside is they don't come with a bag. I also got 3 packs of these straws for $1. You only get 12 straws. At Dollar Tree, I think you get like 24 straws for $1, but they're not as cute as these. So they just have multicolored polka dots and gold polka dots. And I have an obsession with paper straws. I buy them all the time. I have such a big stash of them at this point, but I like them for stirring my coffee and for decorating my coffee bar. I picked up this 1 pack of napkins that has the scalloped edge and says Happy Easter with the just ring around it and some florals. These were $1 and you get 10 napkins. Again, Dollar Tree gives you way more, but these are cuter than what Dollar Tree has. And then the last item from this haul are these really cute little fabric carrots. I was thinking that I wanted to do like a carrot theme. She has no idea who I am, but I watch the channel Par Family Vlogs, and she does really cute farmhouse style decor. And she decorated with carrots last year, and so I was like, oh, that was so cute. I want to do that this year. And then I found that carrot sign from Dollar Tree, and I just don't think that it's going to mesh well with what I have already decorated, which is very glam for me. So I think I'm going to put these in my kitchen and maybe do like a carrot more like, I don't know, like cutesy theme in there. So you get 3 of them. This one is striped, this one's polka dotted, and this one is kind of checkered. They all have the polka dotted leaves at the top. They did have them in just like solid fabric, but I didn't like the color of this solid fabric one as much as this. So these are $3, and these will be going in my kitchen. And that is it for the haul, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you are the kind of person who loves this fuzzy greenery stuff, definitely keep an eye out for it at Dollar Tree. It is so much cheaper to get it there than at Hobby Lobby. In the fall time, I bought a pick like this, but it was much bigger than this, I'm not gonna lie, probably like 4 times the size of this, but it was $16, and of course I got 40% off, but still, like, that's so much money compared to these. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye.